Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to write a short story and publish it as an ebook on Kindle. If you're interested in exploring the creative potential of GPT-3, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Write a short story with ChatGPT. First, we'll be using ChatGPT to write our short story. To do this, we'll need to open up ChatGPT and type in the prompt, write a short story of about 5,000 words with 4 chapters. This will give ChatGPT the parameters for the story that we want it to write. Once ChatGPT has generated the story, we'll copy the text into a word processor such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Step 2. Amazon Direct Publishing. Next, we'll need to sign up for Amazon Direct Publishing. This is a service provided by Amazon that allows you to publish your ebook directly on the Kindle platform. To sign up, simply go to the Amazon Direct Publishing website and follow the instructions to create an account. Step 3. Fill in book details. Once you have signed up for Amazon Direct Publishing, you'll land on a page where you'll need to fill in all the details for your book. This includes information such as the title, author name, and description. Make sure to fill in all the required details accurately and thoroughly. Watch the video for step-by-step details. Step 4. Create a book cover. Step 5. Upload the manuscript. Once you have created your book cover, it's time to upload the manuscript of your short story. This is where you'll need to upload the text file that we created in Step 1. Make sure to carefully review the manuscript for any errors or mistakes before uploading. Step 6. Set the price. Finally, it's time to set the price for your ebook. This is an important step as it will determine how much you will earn from each sale. You can set the price to be free or to a specific amount. Just make sure to consider factors such as the length and quality of the story when setting the price. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to use ChatGPT to write a short story and publish it as an ebook on Kindle. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful and has inspired you to explore the creative potential of GPT-3. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out.